Good morning, everyone. I welcome all the parents to this session, first session of 2020. I hope that all of you are keeping safe and healthy during this tough time. As you know that due to COVID-19, we all are living in a virtual world and the school is making all possible efforts for the betterment of the studies for your children. Every year the summer vacations we have only for 50 to 53 days, but this time we had only for 38 days, and from 9th of July we are starting our online classes. As the new session commences in April, every year we have roughly 2 months studies in which we have different type of extracurricular activities which takes a lot of time, and so the time for academics are little less, so course goes little slower. But this time in these 2 months, because the teachers were busy only taking in these classes, so there were no extra anything, so we have a lot of time for the studies and we covered a lot of syllabus which has a more pace than every year. And now again a lot ahead of what we expected. And as per the government orders, the government has told that they will reduce some of the syllabus. We have not received yet, but I wanted to tell you that for syllabus no parent should be worried. Now we have made few rules for these classes and we expect that parents will follow them strictly for the better studies for their children. Now the first thing is attendance. Parents should be very particular about the attendance, and attendance is compulsory. The teachers will take the attendance and these attendance will be marked in the attendance register and they will be written in the report card. So parents must see that all the children, their children are attending the classes regularly, and it should be done with full uniform, so that the children get a good atmosphere for studies. Now parents have to see that 5 minutes before the class starts, children should sit in proper chair and table and they should be serious in the studies, and at home there should not be any disturbance during this class. Now, the next thing is from the NCERT books, but they can take reference of other books, and in case they are using the other books, they will give the notes to the children, but they should keep them safely for the exams and all. Parents and children have to make the decorum of the class. Nobody should disturb the teacher by coming late or by asking unnecessarily questions. For the children, the teacher will explain the lesson and after that she will ask you about the doubts. You will raise your hands and then you can ask, but not in between the lesson you will disturb. Teacher will ask you to raise your hands. You should keep your mic at mute, and when she'll ask, when she'll ask about some name, then that child should talk about his doubts. As you know, this is the experience, new experience for the children. The same is with the school and the teachers. For teachers, it is also a new experience. And when the teacher takes a class of 40 minutes, she has to prepare a lot of, she has to put a lot of effort behind it. So parents must appreciate and respect their efforts. and they should ask the children to revise their lesson daily, do their homework and classwork, because as soon as the school will reopen, we'll collect the notebooks, teachers will check them. It is not that at that time they start doing the work. They should do on the daily basis so that they don't have any problem when the school reopens. And I know children will be missing their friends, their teachers very badly. And we hope that school will reopen after July. And I expect that whatever time is given to the children, they will utilize it. They will do all positive things, and I want that parents should help them in doing all this. Thank you very much for your patient hearing. Thank you.